if yung device is connected na, FM plus space lang para mag-off. On Bluetooth. FM plus space ulit. Yan na. Pwede mo na makontrol yung phone mo. If want mag-pair ng bagong device, FN plus Z, Bluetooth 1, FN plus C, Bluetooth 2, FN plus X is Bluetooth 3. Then, try natin forget this device. Yan. So, FN plus Z sa Bluetooth 1, long press. Yun. So, madidetect na yun doon. And then, click nyo lang.